This packing line includes 4 parts: main machine MR8 200RH, winning machine, lifting machine, and working platform, which has a wide application in solid and granule, such as nuts, rice, chips, candy, coffee bean, and so on. It is super convenient for packing pre-made pouch. No matter the side seal pouch, stand-up pouch, side spout pouch, zipper pouch, or any special shape pouch it is, all can find a suitable solution here.
This machine can combine with liquid pump to automatic filling and sealing, such as for juice, milk, sauce, and so on. Even the easy forming detergent. We also have customized solution to pack it.
This is auger filler. It is especially designed and manufactured for powder. Through the servo motor drive screw rotation to measure the purpose of feeding material. Spoon feeder. It can be customized according to the different shape and size of spoon. And it is customized with rubber arm to put spoons into the bag.
Different products have different filling systems. This is annular filler. Customers can put products into each cup. And then the poking head pokes products into bag. It is suitable for some meat products. Besides annular filler, the machine also can equip different fillers, such as cup filler, multi-head wear, pickle filler, and various kinds of elevator. This machine is customized for the bread brand. This customer pursues ultimate cost-performance ratio. One machine needs to pack 10 different sizes and combinations of bread. Custom pusher and shaper meet the individual needs of customers.
great honor to introduce our vertical foam, fill and seal machine for you here. The machine can make pillow type bag and stand gaseed bags. This one is a pillow bag. You can see its back seal. This one is the bag. It has gaseed in 2 sizes. Now we put some coffee bean for test. This hopper, it connect with the wheel, and the coffee come from the hop, then into the former. The film join from former. First the coffee from former, then join film by servo motor, then into bags. You see the coffee with gaseed bag. This finishes the working.